How to fix flash on Snapchat. What is up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix flash on your Snapchat. So if you're trying to use flash on your Snapchat camera but it's not working properly, there might be a few reasons why. So the first thing you want to do is check if the flash is working on normal photos and videos. So go ahead and open up your Snapchat. And then on the top right corner, you'll see the flash option. So go ahead and click on the flash option. Now you can just tap on it. As you can see, the flash is currently working. But if it's not working for you guys, then what you can do is first try to clear cache on your Snapchat. So for that, you first need to head over to your profile, then tap on settings. Now scroll all the way to the bottom, and then here you'll have an option to clear cache. So just tap on it. And all of your caches will be cleared. Your memories, your backed up memories won't be deleted, so you don't have to worry about that. So just tap on continue. And once you've done that, you might want to clear cache from your phone's app as well. So head over to Snapchat's app info. And then from here, you can just go ahead and tap on permissions first. Make sure the camera and other permissions are allowed, because the camera directly accesses your flash. And from there, scroll down, tap on storage, and from here you can try to clear cache as well. And after doing this, just give your phone a quick restart and see if the flash is working now. But if it's still not working, you can check on your other apps like your camera app. And if it's still not working on other apps, then it might be a hardware problem, and in that case, you'll have to take your phone to a repair shop. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys next time.